Hello friends, I am VM. In this video I will show you how to refill a Ricoh toner cartridge. This is our Ricoh OEM toner cartridge. Okay, this is our toner cartridge refilling cap. Now open this cap. I am using this toner for refill cartridge. This is Ricoh toner. Now open bottle. Open this cap first. Now cap is open. Now put ink in cartridge toner section like this. Okay, this is very simple refilling cartridge. Okay, now you see cartridge is refilling. Fill properly. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.